All right, we are here for another shot with the pit barrel cooker. It's a beautiful spring day outside. Snow is almost gone here, beginning of April, and we're at about 45 degrees and climbing, supposed to get up in the 60s today. We're going to test this pit barrel out on short time today. I just now have poured the hot coals on top of the unlit coals, and I'm letting that actually go for a minute. I think the pit barrel videos tell you to start cooking right away, but I'm going to actually leave the lid off and let those bottom coals get caught up a little bit because I'm on short time. I want to make sure all the coals get started up, or at least that top layer of unlit coals gets started up. And it's about 11 a.m. right now, and I need to be done with this meat by 5. That's a little bit shorter than I would normally do with a large piece of pork. This is a fresh ham, unsmoked, and I've put some Texas rub on there that's heavy on the pepper. A smaller pork roast with that same Texas rub, and then a small pork roast with a Memphis rub, a lot more sugar, a lot less pepper, and that same Memphis rub on 3 chicken thighs. So we will see how this goes today. I need to pull it about 5 p.m. As I said, 6 hours normally is a little bit short for a whole ham or a pork butt, but they say the pit barrel cooks things faster than other devices, and so we're going to give her a whirl, and hopefully the meat is done in time for tonight's missions conference at our church, because, well, that's what we're bringing it for. All right, y'all. It's about 2:55, so we've been going for about 3 hours, and I checked it at 2 hours. Internal temp of the smoker was about, I think about 280, so it's dropped a little bit, but nothing to worry about. 268, still a good smoking temp. And this is what it looks like at 3 hours. Still got a bit more of a humid look than I would expect at 3 hours. Kind of coming along a little slower than I was hoping, but well, we got about 2 hours and 5 minutes left, so hopefully by that time it'll be good to go. I'm about to take some internal temps here. I see blood on top of that one, so I know that one's not even close. But I bet that chicken's probably done. I can't imagine longer than 3 hours on a couple of small chicken thighs. Alright, I'm making this one quick because it's time to leave. It's 5 o'clock. We gotta go missions conference. 5 hours and 15 minutes. I made a mistake of reusing some charcoal that had been left over from last time. My temp got a little low, so about an hour and a half ago I added some fresh lit charcoal in there. Got it back up in the 300 range. Liking what I'm seeing here with the lid off. I flipped these, so these were on the bottom. This nice charred bark that you see, good color, that was on the bottom for the first 3 or 4 hours till I flipped them. The other side should look like that as well. But there they are. They look delicious.